Wheel spacers can help your car look better, handle smoother, and fit larger wheels. But they need to be installed the right way. If not done properly, they can be unsafe. Here's how to properly install wheel spacers for a safe and secure fit. Park your car on a level surface and engage the parking brake. Loosen the lug nuts slightly before lifting the car. Then use a jack to raise the car, and secure it with jack stands for safety. Fully remove the lug nuts and take off the wheel. Use a wire brush to thoroughly clean the hub face, removing any rust, dirt, or corrosion that may have built up over time. This step is important because even a little dirt or rust can stop the spacer from sitting flat, which can cause shaking or poor wheel fit. Make sure the surface is smooth and flat to allow full contact between the spacer and the hub, which ensures a secure and stable installation. Thread locker helps secure bolts and fasteners by preventing them from loosening due to vibration, heat, or movement. Loctite Red heavy-duty thread locker offers a strong, permanent bond for bolts and fasteners under heavy vibration or stress. Apply a small amount of red thread locker to the spacer's bolts. Avoid over-applying, it spreads as you tighten. Wheel spacers boost stability, allow brake or wheel upgrades, and give your car a wider, more dynamic look. KSP wheel spacers enhance stability, improve clearance, and reduce vibrations with a strong, lightweight design. Place the spacer onto the hub to check for proper fitment. Make sure it's hub-centric, meaning it fits snugly around the hub ring for better stability and alignment. If you are using a bolt-on spacer, ensure the bolt holes line up correctly with the hub before proceeding. Attach the wheel back onto the installed spacer, aligning the bolt holes properly. Once the wheel is in place, hand tighten the lug nuts using a crisscross pattern. This ensures even pressure across the wheel surface and helps seat it properly against the spacer. You can follow some important safety tips to properly install wheel spacers. Never use slip-on spacers with extended studs, unless they provide at least 6 full turns of thread engagement for safety. Always choose high-quality, hub-centric spacers, as they center the wheel properly and reduce vibration, making them much safer than lug-centric types. Installing wheel spacers the right way keeps your drive safe, smooth, and stable. Take your time, follow each step, and always double-check your work.